Good morning, Alex. I hope you had a good night's sleep and are ready for a productive day at work today.
Good morning, Maya. Yes, I slept well, thank you. I feel ready to tackle the tasks we have for today. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. I had a cup of coffee and a small breakfast, so I feel awake and ready. Did you manage to finish the report last night?
Yes, I finished the report late yesterday and sent it to our manager this morning. I also double-checked all the numbers to make sure everything was correct.
That's wonderful! I was worried I might need to help you check it before the meeting, but it sounds like you already did everything carefully.
Don't worry, Maya. We can review it together quickly if you want, just to make sure nothing was missed.
I would appreciate that, thank you. By the way, did you eat anything this morning?
I didn't have time for breakfast, but I brought some fruits to eat later. I know I should start the day with a good meal.
That's still better than nothing. Eating something, even if it's small, gives your brain energy for the morning tasks.
You are right. I will eat while reviewing the report with you.
Perfect. Let's start with the first section of the report. I want to make sure all the trends are accurate before the meeting.
Okay, I will check my emails while you review the trends. It looks like I received 10 new messages since yesterday.
Wow, that's a lot. Are any of them urgent?
Yes, 2 are from the manager. One is about the new project, and the other is a reminder for today's team meeting.
Let's read the project email first. It might have instructions for the new report we have to prepare.
The manager wants a draft ready by Friday, and we should include both financial and project timeline data.
That's good to know. We should plan our work carefully to meet the deadline.
Agreed. I think we should divide the work. I can handle the charts and detailed numbers, and you can write the introduction and summary.
Perfect. Then we can review everything together and make sure it's accurate before sending it to the manager.
Sounds like a plan. Should we also prepare for questions from the team?
Yes, it's better to anticipate questions. I will make notes about trends and key points.
Good idea. I will do the same for the project timeline.
Are you ready for the meeting at 10 a.m.? I have gone through the notes, but I still want to double-check a few numbers.
Yes, I'm ready. I reviewed all the data and prepared some notes for the discussion. Let's go over your numbers together quickly.
That would be helpful. I always feel more confident when we prepare together.
Me too. Teamwork makes everything easier and faster. We can also predict what the manager might ask.
Good idea. I will focus on the financial analysis, and you can focus on the project timeline.
Perfect. Don't forget to bring your laptop charger. My battery sometimes runs out during long meetings.
Yes, I have it. I always carry a charger in my bag just in case.
Great. Let's sit together in the conference room and start preparing.
Good morning, everyone. Let's start with the report from Alex and Maya. Could you walk us through the main points?
Good morning, everyone. We reviewed the data carefully and prepared a report summarizing the key points, including trends, financial analysis, and recommendations for the next quarter.
Yes, and I prepared the charts and graphs to show the project timeline and expected outcomes. We divided the work so that the report is detailed and clear.
Excellent work. I appreciate the attention to detail and the clear presentation. Are there any points you think need further explanation?
I believe the section on recent trends might need some additional examples which we can provide after the meeting.
And the project timeline is flexible. We can adjust it based on feedback from the team.
That sounds good. I appreciate your preparation and teamwork.
Thank you. We wanted to make sure everything is accurate and easy to understand for the team.
Yes, we also made notes for any possible questions from the team.
I'm glad the meeting went well. Are you going to eat lunch now?
Yes, I think I will. I brought a sandwich and some fruit. What about you?
I ordered a salad and a smoothie from the cafe downstairs. It's healthy and quick to eat.
That sounds good. Do you want to eat together in the break room?
Sure. It's always more enjoyable to chat while eating.
What do you usually do during lunch? Do you read or just relax?
I like to relax. Sometimes I read short articles online or I talk to friends. It helps me recharge for the afternoon tasks.
That's a good idea. I usually check messages and then take a short walk if there's time.
Walking is good. It helps me stay active and focused for the rest of the day.
Maybe we can go for a quick walk together after lunch. It will be nice to stretch our legs. After lunch, I need to finish the charts for the new project. It will take at least an hour.
I need to analyze the data and add a few comments for the summary. It shouldn't take too long if I focus.
If we both work now, we can finish the first draft before 3 p.m., then review it together.
That's perfect. I want to make sure the numbers are accurate and the report looks professional.
Do you want me to help you with any calculations? Sometimes 2 pairs of eyes help catch mistakes.
Yes, please. Let's check the totals together. It's better to be safe than sorry.
Done. Everything looks correct now. I'm glad we checked everything carefully.
Me too. Small mistakes can cause big problems if we don't catch them early.
I agree. Attention to detail is very important in our work.
Hey, Maya. John from the marketing team just asked if we can share some data from our report. Do you think we can help him quickly?
Sure, Alex. It will only take a few minutes to explain the key points and show him the charts.
I can explain the project timeline, and you can explain the financial analysis. That way, he will understand everything.
Sounds good. Let's go to his desk and show him the information.
John seems happy with the explanation. I think he will be able to use the data for his presentation now.
Yes, it feels good to help coworkers. It makes teamwork more effective across departments.
I agree. Helping others also helps us understand the project better ourselves.
Exactly. I also like the idea that when we share knowledge, everyone benefits.
Maybe we can create a short guide or summary for future projects. That will save time later.
That's a smart idea. Let's note it down for next week.
I just received a phone call from the supplier. They need confirmation about the delivery schedule.
Oh, okay. Can you take the call and ask for the details? I can continue working on the report while you do that.
Sure. Hello, this is Alex from the office. Yes, we confirm the delivery for next Monday at 10 a.m. Thank you for letting us know. Yes, we will email the confirmation immediately.
That was quick. Did they ask for anything else?
No, just the confirmation. I sent them an email with the details.
Good. Now we can focus on finishing our report. I also have a few follow-up emails to answer.
Yes, I have about 5 emails that need replies today. I will start with the urgent ones first.
That's a good plan. It's always better to reply to important emails first, especially when deadlines are approaching.
I agree. Organizing emails by priority helps me stay on top of my work.
Oh, no. I just noticed a small mistake in the report. One of the financial figures is slightly wrong.
Don't worry, Maya. We can fix it quickly. Let's update the number and the related chart before sending it to the manager.
Good idea. I will correct the number in the summary section, and you can fix the chart.
Done. Now everything matches. I'm glad we caught the mistake early.
Me too. Small errors can cause big problems if we don't catch them early.
Yes. Checking details carefully is very important, especially for reports that will be shared with the manager and other teams.
Agreed. I feel more confident now that the report is completely accurate.
Me too. Let's double-check one more time before sending it, just to be safe.
Good idea. I will read the introduction and summary again, and you can check the charts.
The report is ready to send to the manager. I think we did a great job today.
Yes, I agree. It feels good to finish work carefully and on time.
Do you want to organize our desks before leaving? It will help us start fresh tomorrow.
That's a good idea. I will also make a small to-do list for tomorrow's tasks.
Perfect. That way, we can be more efficient and prepared.
I feel satisfied with today. Even though it was busy, we managed everything well.
Me too. Working together really made the day easier and more productive.
Yes, teamwork and planning are very important in an office.
I agree. I also feel happy that we helped other coworkers and solved small problems quickly.
Definitely. Supporting each other makes the workplace more positive and enjoyable.
Let's leave on time today and recharge for tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow we will continue the project and be even more prepared.
Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.